Hello, today we're going to talk about another JWT authentication bypass. It's a bad implementation one more time. It's a weak signing key. So we're going to brute force a key using hashcat, I guess. Or John, could use John, let's use John for now, it's easy I guess. And I'm not really sure what exactly we're going to do. I did open the solution and briefly take a look at it, but it's... I'm going to do something else. Anyways, let's go ahead and log in. Let's access the lab, wherever it is. There we have it. So it's going to be Wiener and Peter one more time. Always Wiener and Peter. Yep. Let's just disable burp for now. We're not really using it. So go to my account. Log in as Wiener. Peter, press F12, zoom in a bit for you guys, different zoom. Take the value. I'm going to use this today because in this particular JWT token you can input the actual key down here below, which is going to be the plain text key. So what we're going to do now is try and brute force our way so we can find the correct key, the correct signing key. So what we're going to do is going to take all this, go to a terminal and make sure we're in the right place and touch a file. Let's just call it JWT, and now let's go into JWT, paste this, not that now, copy pasting one more time is difficult. Let's paste it in. No, holy moly! Is it because it's okay? Put there, copy paste there, paste selection. There we go. Save it, and now basically just write John JWT, and it's gonna run pretty fast, and you're gonna find really fast that the actual key used is secret 1, and I kind of figured this would be easier to do for the video, just to run John and see if it can find the key using the default word list with the password.list. It's not the optimal way. The optimal way would probably be to do the use hashcat, as they also suggested down here, using a mode and doing a path to a bigger password list, because we're essentially just brute forcing the key. Now that we have that secret 1, we can go ahead and copy paste it, go back to the web page here and paste it in like hocus pocus, and it says it's verified. Really good. Let's go ahead and do administrator one more time. Okay, let's take it and copy paste, go back to web page, see if I can copy paste good enough today. Press update, go to admin panel, and I guess we should delete Carlos, because that is the thing we did in the other tasks. So Carlos, bye bye. I'm sorry Carlos, but you are the target, and we solved the lab. So essentially what we did is basically just brute force our way. That is the interesting part about JWT tokens, is that you can, well, kind of brute force them. If you're getting a randomized key of some sort as a session handler key, that in normal login systems not using JSON Web Tokens or just JWTs are giving you, well, then you cannot usually brute force those, because that's not a part to brute force. It is a key you actually want to possess in order to identify you as the person that is represented. In this particular case, the JWT token is representing an instance, a ticket that you can give the server, and the server will then react to that ticket JWT token, right, and say, hey, you are administrator. So it's a very, very bad implementation, this one, of a horrible weak signing key. Never use something as easy as that. Now I want to put a few extra words. Now I have seen people using school related signing keys that are a lot of A's and B's, or 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And even though that it might seem long, and does a password list actually contains 27 A's? Well, probably not, but at the same point this gets out, you know, people are gonna try it and you're gonna be doomed. So don't do that, you know, it's a really bad idea. Alright, so I guess that is for this video. Another JWT bites the dust.